Hey guys, welcome back to another update on your course and how you're doing so far. Just want to say thanks to everybody who is put in the hard work. Some of the stuff that you guys have been handing in to me has been fantastic. A couple of the essays I've read are university quality. So keep up that good work. That's exactly what I'm expecting from this course. A few things just to update you on today, which is our fifth official day of the course. Um, Try to get some things done a little faster for some of you. Some of you are right on track. Others have fallen behind quite a bit. If you have completed everything on time, you just have to check your instant messenger section of the website and you'll see that your mark has been updated. Until you have completed all the tasks, I'm not sending you out an updated mark bill. Um, Another thing that's something that a lot of people have been asking, if you take a look on this web page here, and we scroll down, this is your activity feed on the right hand side. Notice how there are things like the documentary, the Crusades, notes that I've put, expectations for the day. Here's another documentary. That's where you're going to find some of the things that you guys have been, emailing me and looking for. Um, the activity feed is basically, anything that I feel like you guys need as soon as possible, I'll post it there. So there was a rush of people trying to access those documentaries, so I made sure to put the link on there. If when you're going through the slides you're looking to hit any of the videos, because they're full of videos, sometimes the videos are only a couple minutes long, those videos are all available on YouTube. That's for my day class that I teach at Michael Power from September to June. Um, it will help you understand some of the slides, but it's not necessary unless I've said to you watch this documentary. You don't have to worry about watching those things, but I mean they will help if you can find them. Um, Another thing that people have been asking is the final slide of each slide deck called in review. Again, that's for my day school students. The review terms, those are things you can actually take from because you know those are going to be on your quizzes and your final exam. But the assignments that are associated with them, you don't have to do them. You only have to do the assignments I've asked you to do in the D2L shells that you're working through. Okay, so anything you see on the last slide, just disregard it. Next, due dates and extensions. So we have a due date coming up. We had one just pass. Our due date for Unit 1 was Monday. Our next due date is Friday. If you're looking for due dates, you can scroll down till you get to the calendar section and you can see the due dates there. You see July the 13th at midnight is when Module 2 is due. So pay attention to those due dates. But if you need an extension, all I need is an email, and I will grant that to you. But if you don't ask for one, then I'm just going to take off late marks. As far as grades go, I mentioned that if you've completed Unit 1, you've already got your grades. The actual official grade you will receive on midterm will come out when midterms come out. And if you don't finish the work by midterm, unfortunately, I'll have to put zeros into those sections. That includes the discussions. So please make sure you get everything up to date. Today's goals are to catch up with any work you haven't completed, complete sections 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, two discussion threads, and one answer package. Nothing too difficult. So it should give you a chance to catch up. And then we move into Wednesday and Thursday, just working on another major assignment in the quiz. Okay, have a very good day today. And once again, if you need any help or any questions or whatever, please do not hesitate to email me. I'm always around and ready to answer your questions. Have a good one.